think so. That was weird. You can put Denny up there. That's cool. Just me and you. Shoot, man, that's never happened to us before on Facebook. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened, but my feed cut out. So we'll give everybody a minute to find the updated video. Sorry about that.
Technical difficulties.
That's right. Thing just ghosted. Do you remember how many people were in there? Can you tell from there?
7, I think there was like at least 10.
Okay. We'll wait another minute. Oh, shoot. That was weird. Probably should look at my eBay, see if anybody's asking. Hey guys, we'll get started back up in 1 minute. Just trying to give everybody a chance to jump back in. I'm sorry about that. Appreciate that. All right, we're going to keep going. Hopefully some other people find us. But as a reminder, all our videos do stay posted on Facebook, as well as we have a YouTube channel that we post everything to the day after our break. So there is 2 places to go watch all the videos in case you miss part or all of it. So we'll keep rolling. Sorry about that. Klay Thompson. Seth Curry, Alex Caruso, Paul George, Luka, nice card. To the Mavs, Marcus Smart, Enes Kanter.
There you go.
Is that better?
Better.
Okay. OG. We'll just go with OG. He's the OG. Fred VanVleet,
The original.
Eric Paschow. Aaron Gordon. Oh my goodness. Kendrick Nunn. Kyle Kuzma. Jimmy Butler. Zion Williamson. Nice 2nd-year card of him. TJ Warren. Draymond Green. Taurean Prince. Tobias Harris. Jason Tatum. Daniel House. Drew Holiday. Spencer Dinwiddie, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Trae Young to the Hawks, Carmelo Anthony, Blazers. There you go, Blazers. Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, and our green flood cards, Darius Garland to the Cavs. Ooh, nice. A Zion. That's cool. And a Tyler Hero. Franchise features. Came on strong during the playoffs last year, but I guess people have cooled on them. But it's a cool card. our inserts, Joel Embiid, power in the paint to the Sixers. Followed by his teammate, Ben Simmons, complete players insert. I'm glad you guys are finding the feed again. I'm sorry about that. I don't know why or how it dropped. It's never done that to us, and we've been on Facebook for a while, so sorry about that. Derrick Rose, franchise features to the Pistons, and then our rookies here. And we will do a recap at the end of this, guys. Vernon Carey Jr. to the Hornets. Azubuike, again, to the Jazz. Denny Avdija, again, to the Wizards. Looks like we hit the same print run. Onyeka Okongwu, Hawks. Grant Riller. Hornets is the same exact. CJ Ellaby, Blazers. Nico Mannion, Warriors. Xavier Tillman, Grizzlies. Desmond Bane, Grizzlies. And Emmanuel Quickley, the Knicks. That is pretty disappointing. That was the exact set of rookies in the back of the first hanger. The same exact set in the back of the second hanger. Now, if you had some of those rookies, you probably don't mind too much.
Got the Knicks. You're happy.
Yeah, if you're the Knicks fan, you're happy.
Wizards, you're happy.
Yep. All right, let's get some other stuff up here.
Hawks.
We'll get Zion's green parallel up here. Take Gobert down. Put this Darius Garland up there for a little bit. Quickly ×2. Denny ×2. Hopefully we upgrade that board in a minute. All right, guys, just a reminder, since we did have some technical difficulties, all of our videos stay posted on Facebook, so you can always go back and play them and find them anytime. If we ever do have a disruption and a break, we put the cards down and wait until we're live again to go through any cards so you don't miss anything. And all the videos do get ported to our YouTube page as well, so there's 2 different places to go find them, and you can find them in full. They do not get deleted. Box number 3. All right. Looking for Edwards, looking for Wiseman, looking for LaMelo. Looking for Halliburton, I guess. Dylan Brooks, Christian Wood, PJ Washington, LaMarcus Aldridge, Bismack Biyombo, Aaron Baines. There's a Kyrie Irving base. Jaren Jackson. Markelle Fultz. CJ McCollum. John Wall. The Joker. Davis Bertrands. Otto Porter Jr. Robert Covington. James Harden. Taurean Prince. Tobias Harris. Jonathan Isaac. Jordan Poole. Luke Kennard. R.J. Barrett. Joe Harris. Lauri Markkanen. Kawhi Leonard to the Clippers. Keldon Johnson. Ben Simmons to the Sixers. Ivica Zubac. Miles Bridges. Kobe White. Serge Ibaka. Marcus Morris. Harrison Barnes. Shabazz Napier. And then our green parallels. Nice Paul George to the Clippers. Jeff Green to the Rockets. And a Russell Westbrook complete players to the Rockets. Here's Isaiah Stewart, rookie, to the Pistons. Great expectations. Nice hit there to the Pistons. Bam Adebayo Power in the Paint insert to the Heat. Pascal Siakam, complete players insert to the Raptors. Here we go. LaMelo Ball, we found him. Nice. Congrats, Hornets. Nice card right there. Nice. Get him on the board. Cassius Stanley to the Pacers. Jamias Ramsey. Kings, rated rookie. Jordan Nwora, rookie to the Bucks. Theo Maledon, rookie to the Thunder. Malachi Flynn to the Raptors. RJ Hampton to the Nuggets. Oh, man, somebody just taught me how to say this dude's name. We should just call him Skeletor. Alexiv Pokusevsky to the Thunder. Isaiah Stewart again to go with that insert to the Pistons. And Devin Vassell to the Spurs. All right, time to get Melo up here. We'll bump Darius Garland. Get Melo front and center. Nice. Very nice. We'll run through all the rookies at the end, guys, just so nobody misses anything. Box number 4 of 5. Still looking for Edwards and Wiseman. Sorry about that, Michael. I don't know why the feed dropped, man. We've never had that issue before. So I apologize for that, but like I was saying to everybody else, the videos will stay on Facebook, so you can find them and watch them in their entirety after they reload to Facebook after the live feed is over. And we'll also port them to YouTube, so you can watch them there as well starting tomorrow. Jaren Jackson, Matisse Thybulle, DeAndre Ayton, Patty Mills, Norman Powell, Kelly Oubre, Dwight Howard, Karl Anthony Towns, Colin Sexton, Terrence Ross, Kristaps Porzingis, Hassan Whiteside, Marvin Bagley, Goran Dragic, Lou Williams, Dwayne Bacon, Thon Maker, Langston Galloway, Mitchell Robinson, Cam Reddish, Karis LeVert, Derek White, Duncan Robinson, DeAndre Hunter, Matthew Dellavedova. There's an E in there, though. Dellavedova. Come on, man.
Say how we going to do, man. Real world, we'll just live.
Bobby Portis, Ben Simmons. Vika Zubac, Miles Bridges. Man, these print runs are bad, aren't they? Like the same exact.
I mean, if that's the case, there's probably a Lamelo in there.
Kobe White, hopefully. Serge Ibaka, Marcus Morris, Harrison Barnes, Shabazz Napier, our greens. At least our greens are different. Derrick Rose to the Pistons. Clint Capella to the Hawks. And a Precious Achua. Green parallel Great Expectations rookie to the Heat. Nice hit to the Heat. Here's a Donovan Mitchell insert, the franchise features. There's another Great Expectations. I hope it's the right one. It's a Hornet. There he is. Nice. So LaMelo showing up now. Congrats, Hornets. This is the Great Expectations insert. Rookie. Hassan Whiteside, power in the paint to Portland. Nice. At least the rookies in the back look to be different. That's cool. Zeke Naji, I hope. Yep, they are. Sadiq Bey, Pistons. Haven't seen him. Aaron Nesmith, rookie to the Celtics. Killian Hayes to the Pistons. Patrick Williams to the Bulls. Cassius Winston, Wizards. Nick Richards, Hornets. Trey Jones to the Spurs. Daniel Orturu, the Clippers. And Jaden McDaniels to the T-Wolves. All right. Not bad, not bad. I think the Joker. We're going to boot the Joker. I guess we don't have. Yeah, we will. Boot the Joker. So we can show both our mellows off. All right. Last box, guys. Time getting this plastic off. There we go. Oh shoot. Showed the back card by accident. Sugarfoot. All right, last box, guys. Good luck. Gary Harris, Derrick Rose, Steven Adams, Steph Curry base, Mikal Bridges, Darius Garland, Bam Adebayo, Joel Embiid again, Kevin Huerter, go Terps, Sekou, Jamal Murray, John Collins, LeBron James. Nice base card to the Lake Show. Blake Griffin. Ricky Rubio. Terrence Ross. Evan Fournier. Rui. Kevin Porter Jr. Rudy Gobert. Eric Bledsoe. Donovan Mitchell to the Jazz. Chris Middleton. Malcolm Brogdon. D'Angelo Russell. Jason Tatum. Daniel House, Drew Holiday, Spencer Dinwiddie, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, and let's get to the good stuff. Trey Young, nice base card to the Hawks. Carmelo Anthony, Kentavious Caldwell-Pope, a backwards card. Hopefully that's something good. Yeah, it is. A nice auto in here. Man, it's got a ding corner, though. You guys see that? A little ding right there on the corner. Even though it's in the middle of the box. It's not bad. So this is a Skylar Mays signature series. Rookie to the Hawks. Congrats, Hawks. It's a sticker auto, but that's a nice, clean auto. It's not cut off. Congrats, Mike. Nice card, dude. Very nice. Nice card. Well, I guess there's autos in this product. OG, green, parallel. Marquise Chris, Golden State Warriors. Green parallel.
Is that his name or is that a question?
I don't know. Look at it. And here's an all-time league leaders insert, and that looks like, I don't know. I don't know if that's just the way they look or if that's some type of foil or parallel. Maybe that's just the way they look. That's a Wilt Chamberlain to the Lakers. So you can never be mad at a Wilt. It's pretty cool. A Jason Tatum complete players insert to Boston. It was the third green if we're going by that, right? So maybe it is the green. That'd be cool. Here's a Shai Gilgeous-Alexander franchise features OKC. Another precious. This is the base. Well, it's not the base, but it's the base insert. Great Expectations. Rookie to the Heat. Nice. James Wiseman, rated rookie to the Warriors. Very nice hit for the Warriors there. Still looking for Edwards. Maybe we can find him. Here's a Skylar Mays base. So Skylar Mays is showing up because I think we had his green, the base, and that auto. So I hope you're a Skylar Mays fan, Michael. Saban Lee, Detroit Pistons, rookie. Tyler Bay, Mavericks rookie. Tyrell Terry, Mavericks rookie. Peyton Pritchard, nice card there to the Celtics, rookie. Tyrese Maxey to the Sixers. That's his only pose too. He looks confused on every card. Coach, what? I don't remember that. Josh Green, rookie to the Mavs. Mavericks getting all their rookies in this pack. Kira Lewis Jr., rookie to the Pelicans. And our last card of the night is my boy, Jalen Smith. Go Terps. Got robbed out of a nice deep run in the NCAA tournament last year. Thanks a lot, COVID. It's going to be our year, man. All right, guys, we'll go through these rookies. Let me grab some of these prisms. Let's see.
Here's your inserts.
All right. Let's run through a bunch of this.
Here's your base.
Especially because we got interrupted. So, all right, so here's some of our base vets that we pulled, and I'll go real quick. LeBron, Ben Simmons ×2, Kawhi, Kyrie, Jokic, James Harden, Trae Young ×2, Jason Tatum ×2, Zion Williamson, Luka Doncic, Joel Embiid ×2, Dame Lillard, Donovan Mitchell ×2, Kevin Durant, and Steph Curry ×2. Some of our inserts here. We had the Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Jason Tatum, Hassan Whiteside, Donovan Mitchell, Bam Adebayo, Pascal Siakam, Joel Embiid, Ben Simmons, Derrick Rose, the Joker, Vucevic, and Steph Curry. Some of our green flood parallels. We had this Wilt Chamberlain, all-time league leaders to the Lakers. That's a cool card. Marquise Chris to the Warriors. OG to the Raptors. This Joker card to the Nuggets. This Precious Achua, Great Expectations to the Heat. Clint Capella, Derrick Rose, Russell Westbrook, complete players, Jeff Green, Paul George, Darius Garland, Rudy Gobert, Tyler Hero. Maybe that might just be the regular insert. And Skylar Mays, rated rookie to the Hawks. So Skylar Mays showed up quite a bit. Base rookie, as we'll see now in that one. So some of our base rookies here: Jalen Smith, Skylar Mays, Tyler Bay, Kira Lewis, Josh Green, Tyrese Maxey, Peyton Pritchard, Tyrell Terry, Saban Lee, Zeke Naji, Cassius Winston, Nick Richards, Trey Jones, Daniel Oturo, Jaden McDaniels, Sadiq Bey, Aaron Nesmith, Cassius Stanley, Jamias Ramsey, Jordan Nwora, Alexev P. to the Thunder, Isaiah Stewart, Great Expectations, Devin Vassell, Theo Maledon, OKC, Malachi Flynn to the Raptors, RJ Hampton, CJ Ellaby ×2, Desmond Bain ×2, Xavier Tillman ×2, Nico Mannion ×2, Grant Riller ×2, Vernon Carey Jr. ×2, and Udoka Azubuike ×2 to the Jazz. All right, let's do this. All right, some of our bigger hits, guys. James Wiseman, nice rated rookie to the Warriors. This Precious Achua, expectations. Killian Hayes, rated rookie. Patrick Williams, rated rookie to the Bulls. Onyeka Okongwu to the Hawks. We had 2 of those. We had 2 of these Denny Avdijas to the Wizards. We had this sweet green flood parallel of Zion Williamson. Emmanuel Quickly ×2 to the Knicks. And then we had LaMelo show up twice. We had the Great Expectations and the base rookie. So nice night for the Hornets. And then our hit of the night, this Skylar Mays auto going to the Hawks. So nice night, guys. So hope you guys had a good time. Please like us and follow us. We'll be shipping everything out on Monday. So everything will get in the mail on Monday. Michael, we will be doing another one of these. I don't know if it'll be 5 hangers, but we will be doing some more Donruss basketball. We'll also be doing some hoops and some other stuff. So like us on Facebook and follow us, and then you'll get our updates. Normally we send at least one update the day that we're breaking. So you'll see it on your Facebook feed. Hey, we're breaking this tonight. Check us out. And there'll be an eBay link in their update. So that's the easiest way to keep up with us. Thanks a lot, guys. If you need anything, please shoot us a message. Take care.